Discover the magic of wooden tips, DIY hacks and creative ideas for home decor. It's not just about building a house or fixing a creaky floorboard, it's about taking this natural, beautiful material and shaping it with your own two hands. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these wooden tips and hacks are designed to inspire you and add a touch of handmade charm to your home. We're talking about easy-to-follow projects that anyone can tackle, from stylish storage solutions to unique decor pieces. Let's get started. Essential tools and materials for woodworking hacks. Before we dive into these projects, let's gather our tools and materials. A circular saw is versatile for larger cuts, while a jigsaw is great for intricate curves. Safety first, folks, so always wear safety glasses when operating power tools. Pine is a great choice for beginners, as it's affordable and easy to work with. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges, and then gradually move to a finer grit for a silky smooth finish. Remember, folks, the key is to have fun and let your creativity shine through. Easy wooden shelves for stylish storage. Choose your wood and measure the space where you want your shelves to go. For a rustic look, consider using reclaimed wood or adding some distressing techniques. To support your shelves, you can use brackets or wooden supports. Once your shelves are up, it's time to decorate. You can paint them, stain them, or leave them natural. Pro tip: for a modern aesthetic, try arranging multiple shelves in asymmetrical patterns. Wooden picture frames for personalized decor. Creating your own wooden picture frames can be a rewarding and creative way to personalize your home decor. Not only do they add a touch of rustic charm, but they also allow you to showcase your favorite photos and artwork in a unique and custom way. Start by choosing your wood. The type of wood you select will greatly influence the final look of your frame. Hardwoods like oak and maple are durable and have a classic appearance, while softer woods like pine are easier to work with and can be stained or painted to match your decor. Consider the grain, color, and texture of the wood to ensure it complements the photo or artwork you plan to frame. Measure the photo or artwork you want to frame and cut 4 pieces of wood accordingly. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure each piece is cut to the exact length needed. Use a tape measure and a saw to make clean, straight cuts. Remember, the 2 longer pieces will form the sides of the frame, while the 2 shorter pieces will form the top and bottom. To create the groove that holds the glass, picture, and backing board, you can use a router or a table saw. This step requires precision and care, as the groove needs to be evenly cut to securely hold the contents of the frame. If you're new to using these tools, practice on a scrap piece of wood first to get a feel for the process. Apply wood glue to the ends of the pieces and use a corner clamp to hold them together securely while the glue dries. This ensures that the frame is square and the joints are tight. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving on to the next step. For added strength, you can also use small nails or screws to reinforce the corners. Sand down any rough edges and choose your desired finish. Sanding is crucial for a smooth, professional look. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper and gradually move to a finer grit for the best results. Once the frame is smooth, you can apply a finish. Whether you choose to stain, paint, or leave the wood natural, make sure to apply a protective coat to preserve the wood and enhance its appearance. Pro tip: for a rustic look, use distressed wood or create a faux distressed finish by applying a coat of paint and then sanding it down to reveal the wood underneath. This technique adds character and a vintage feel to your frame. Experiment with different colors and sanding techniques to achieve the desired effect. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a beautiful, personalized wooden picture frame that enhances any room in your home. Wooden candle holders for cozy ambiance. Use scraps of wood, branches, or even slices of logs. Use a drill with a Forstner bit to create the candle holes. For a more rustic look, leave the bark on the wood. To add a decorative touch, consider wrapping twine or ribbon around the candle holders. Pro tip: group multiple candle holders of varying heights together for a dramatic effect. DIY wooden coasters. Hardwoods like cherry, walnut, or maple are great choices for coasters because they're durable and resist moisture. Cut your wood into small squares or circles about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Now comes the fun part: decorating. You can stain the coasters, paint them, or even apply a decoupage technique using decorative paper or fabric. To protect your coasters from moisture and heat, apply a sealant. Pro tip: experiment with different wood types for unique textures and colors. Wooden plant hangers. For this project you can use dowels, branches, or even repurposed wooden utensils. Cut your chosen wood to the desired length. To assemble the hanger, drill holes through the ends of the wood pieces. Thread twine or rope through the holes and tie knots to secure the pieces together. Pro tip: use recycled wood for an eco-friendly project. Let's add a touch of modern flair to your walls with eye-catching geometric wall art. This project is perfect for those who love a blend of creativity and craftsmanship. Not only does it add a unique aesthetic to your space, but it also allows you to express your personal style through the shapes and colors you choose. Start by cutting the wood into various geometric shapes, such as triangles, squares, hexagons, or any other shapes that catch your eye. You can use a saw or a laser cutter for more precision. Make sure to sand the edges to smooth out any rough spots. This step is crucial for ensuring that your pieces fit together nicely and look polished. Once you have all your shapes, arrange them on a flat surface to create your desired pattern. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Play around with different layouts until you find one that you love. You can go for a symmetrical design or something more abstract. The choice is yours. Use wood glue to attach the pieces to a baseboard. Apply the glue carefully to ensure that each piece sticks firmly. You might want to use clamps to hold the pieces in place while the glue dries. This will help to keep everything aligned and secure. After the glue has dried, it's time to add some color. You can paint the geometric shapes in a variety of colors, or you can stain them for a more natural look. Consider using a mix of both for added visual interest. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors or metallic finishes to make your art pop. Pro tip: to create a sense of depth and dimension, use different thicknesses of wood for your geometric shapes. Layering pieces of varying thicknesses can add a 3D effect to your artwork, making it even more striking. This technique can really elevate the overall look of your piece. Once everything is dry and you're happy with the final look, it's time to hang your masterpiece. Choose a spot on your wall where it can be a focal point. Whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or hallway, this geometric wall art is sure to be a conversation starter. Enjoy your new stylish addition to your home. Wooden jewelry organizer. Start by choosing a piece of wood for the base of your organizer. Sand down any rough edges and give it a light sanding to prepare it for finishing. Attach the hooks to the wood plank using small screws or nails. For compartments, consider using small wooden boxes or trays. Pro tip: to prevent your jewelry from scratching, line the compartments with felt or fabric. Hidden storage bench. Start by building the basic frame of the bench using sturdy wood planks. Once the frame is assembled, cut plywood or medium-density fiberboard to create the seat of the bench. Attach the seat to the frame using hinges. Cut plywood or medium-density fiberboard to create the bottom of the compartment and attach it to the inside of the bench frame. Pro tip: to prevent the seat from slamming shut, install a lid support or slow-closing hinges. Floating nightstands. Start by measuring the available wall space and deciding on the dimensions of your nightstands. Cut your chosen wood, plywood or medium-density fiberboard work well, to size for the top, bottom, and sides of the nightstand boxes. Assemble the boxes using wood glue and screws, ensuring they are square and sturdy. Install the brackets according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring they are level and can support the weight of the nightstand and its contents. Pro tip: before mounting the brackets, use a stud finder to locate the wall studs for maximum support. Well, there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of this video, but don't think of it as the end of your journey. In fact, it's just the beginning. We've journeyed through 10 fantastic woodworking projects using simple techniques and a whole lot of creativity. Each project was designed to not only teach you the basics but also to inspire you to think outside the box and push the boundaries of your creativity. Remember, woodworking is more than just cutting and assembling. It's about bringing your ideas to life, one project at a time. It's about the joy of seeing a raw piece of wood transform into something beautiful and functional. From stylish storage solutions to unique decor pieces, the possibilities with wood are truly endless. Whether you're looking to create something practical or purely decorative, there's no limit to what you can achieve with a bit of imagination and effort. I hope these tips and hacks have inspired you to grab your tools and start creating. The world of woodworking is vast and full of opportunities for those willing to dive in and explore. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun. The best projects often come from a place of joy and curiosity. And hey, we're just getting started. There's so much more to learn and create. Every piece of wood holds a new adventure, a new challenge, and a new opportunity to express yourself. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY content, and share your woodworking triumphs with us using #woodworkingmagic and #diehacks. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you and the woodworking community. We can't wait to see what you build. Share your projects, your progress, and your passion with us. Let's inspire each other and grow together as a community of creators. Until next time, keep those creative sparks flying. Remember, every great project starts with a single idea, so keep dreaming, keep building, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with wood.